Classics. Okay, in the previous period we discussed example 2. Now let us understand how to do this example 3. So here in this question we have figure. So with 4 different rays in a different direction, OQ, OP, OR and OS are the 4 rays. Prove that this angle POQ, look at this angle POQ plus QOR plus SOR, then POS. All these 4 angles together gives 360 degrees. This is what we have to prove here. For this proof, we need a construction here. To prove this, we need a construction here. What is that construction? So I'll write here. Draw a ray OT opposite to OQ. You need to draw a ray OT opposite to OQ. So let us draw the line opposite to this. We can call this as OT. OT is a ray which is exactly opposite to OQ. Now you can see here OP is a ray standing on QT, line QT. So then you know that if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of the adjacent angles of formed must be 180 degree. So therefore I can write here angle POT plus angle POQ should be equal to 180 degree. So we have learned it in the previous class. Okay. Same way we can take OS is also a ray. OS is a ray standing on TQ, the line TQ. So therefore the adjacent angles, I will take two adjacent angles, 2 pair. I will take it as TOS, angle TOS plus angle SOQ. Angle SOQ is equal to 180 degree. So they are also adjacent angles only. See this, I am going to mention this and this whole angle, these two. It is 180 degree. Okay, so now here in this equation, in the second one, so look at this angle TOS, let us write as it is, plus in place of SOQ, we can split it as, look at the diagram and tell me what we can write.
QOR and ROS.
QOR and ROS are SOR plus ROQ. Both are same. SOR plus QOR or ROQ is equal to 180 degree. So you can write because SOQ, angle SOQ is equal to angle SOR plus angle QOR. So this we have substituted in the place of SOQ. Now this you can call it as equation number 2. So add 1 and 2 now. Add the equation 1 and 2. So left hand sides we can write POT, angle POT plus angle POS, the second equation, angle POQ plus angle SOR plus angle QOR together is equal to 180 plus 180 means 360 degree. Right?
Yes,
now,
sir.
POT and TOS. Look at the diagram and tell me, in place of POT and TOS, what we can write?
Sir, POS.
POS. So in place of this POT and TOS, so let us write POS. angle POS. Then let us write POQ as it is, POQ plus SOR also as it is, and QOR also as it is. So together it is equal to 360 degree. Sum of these four angles. So we have proved that POS, so this angle, and POQ, this one, first one, and QOR is there, then SOR is also there. All four angles are there. Together it is giving you 360 degree. This is what we wanted. You can note on this. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So we have shown
Yes, sir.
sum of all the four angles is equal to 360 degree. So write down this. After this, we will go to the next exercise questions. 6.1. Any doubt here? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Noted?
Yes,
All of
sir.
you noted this or not? You want some more time?
Yes, sir. Finished, sir.
Finish it. Okay, let's go to the next. Huh? You can start writing this next question, exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1, first question. In figure, lines AB and CD. Lines AB and CD intersect at O. Intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angles BOE is equal to 70 degree, and BOD and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So these are the, let us draw the diagram for this. So I'm going to draw a line AB here, one line AB, another line CD, it is intersecting the line AB, and then one more ray we will draw, that is OE. So these are all the lines, line AB and CD intersecting at point O, and OE is the ray. OE is a ray. So now they have given, they are making some angles. AOC plus BOE. Look at the diagram. AOC, then BOE. They are together making 70 degree. It is given AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. And then angle BOD is given, that is 40 degree. 40 degree. So the second angle, that is BOD, it is 40 degree. Now find the angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So now let us see that OC is a ray standing on AB. We can write OC is a ray standing on, or otherwise, so look at this. Let us write OC is a ray standing on AB. Now you can make this adjacent angles. we have AOC plus COE plus BOE. Together, these three angles together should make 180 degrees.
180 degree.
Okay, they are 180 degree. And you can write in place of AOC as 40 degree. You can write it as AOC plus BOE. You can write together 70 degree. Look at this. I will rearrange this one. AOC plus BOE. AOC plus BOE. Then I will write COE is equal to 180 degree. And it is given that AOC plus BOE it is 70 degree. Then plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. So in place of these two, AOC and BOE, we have written as 70 degree. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
AOC and BOE, we have written 70 degree. COE. So now you can calculate angle COE. Angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70 degree. Angle COE is equal to
110 degree.
So you got that angle COE as 110 degree. This angle. So we want not this
Sir,
angle.
excuse me, sir.
Reflex angle only we want. Okay. And also you can write here another important information. BOD and AOC are equal. Angle BOD and angle AOC both are equal to 40 degree. You can write vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. Here we got AOC also 40 degree. Now you can calculate angle BOE. So angle BOE can be calculated. Look at this. We have these angles together. It is 180 degree. You know, AOC we have AOC plus COE plus BOE is equal to 180 degree. Okay. Substitute the values that you know. AOC is 40 degree plus COE is 110 degree plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. So BOE will be equal to 180 degree minus 150 degree. So it is equal to 30. Somebody mute the audio. Now, so you got that angle 30 degree. So the next topic that is left out for us, we have to find out this angle, reflex angle COE. To find reflex angle COE, total angle formed at center O is 360 degree. So therefore, reflex COE is equal to 360 degree minus that usual normal angle COE. Okay, so that is 360 degree minus 110 degree. We want the reflex angle means, look at this, reflex angle means, look at the diagram, this angle. So in a red mark I have shown that is reflex. Okay, so that 360 degree minus 110 degree. So subtract this and
250 degree.
250 degree. You can write here 250 degree. Reflex angle. That is the reflex angle COE. So that's we have found out angle BOE also and COE. BOE and COE both we have found out. So BOE here, you can note on this BOE is this one 30 degree. So angle reflex angle COE is 250 degree. You understood or not? Any doubt in this?
Yes, sir.
So note down. If you have not written, just you write down. If any doubt is there, you can ask me now itself. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll now later we'll go to the question number 2 now. Second question. In figure, lines xy and mn intersect at O. Intersect at point O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, find C. So they have given a diagram. So let us draw the diagram now. So we have some lines here. XY is a line. Another line MN is another line intersecting this XY at some point. O. Then OP is a ray perpendicular here. One ray is here, like this, the perpendicular line. So let us mention this angle that is given here. This is M and this is N. This is X, this is Y and P and point O. This is making an angle and it is 90 degree. So this angle, small angle, here B and this is A. So we need to find the angle C. We need to find the angle C. So this is the data that they have given in this question. So now let us solve this question. So the data that is given, angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is in the ratio of 2 is to 3. See, OP is a ray. OP is a ray standing on XY. Therefore, I can write angle POX plus POY is equal to 180 degree. Since this POY is 90 degree, so we will get POX plus 90 is equal to 180. So therefore, POX is also equal to 90 degree. Transfer this 90 to the right side and you will get this angle 90 degrees. So then POX can be written as POX is the sum of two angles. So you can write this as POX is equal to POM plus MOX. MOX. These two angles both are equal to 90 degree only. And it is POM is nothing but angle A plus this is angle B and it is equal to 90 degree. Suppose if A is equal to A and B, the ratio is given. So A is to B, we have 2 is to 3. Suppose if A is equal to 2x degree, then B will be equal to 3x. That is the ratio they have given. You can take if angle A measures 2x degree, then B must measure 3x degree. So use this data in the above equation. A plus B. That means you will get 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree. So therefore 5x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 90 divided by 5. So look at 5 ones are 5 eights are. X is equal to 18 degree. So once you get x is equal to 18, you can find out the values of A and B. What is the value of A? A is equal to
So A is equal to 36, B is equal to
is 2
54.
into 18. It is 36 degree. Similarly, B is equal to 3x. What is the value? 3x now.
Sir,
Sir,
54.
54.
3 into 80, 54 degree. So you got the values of A and B. Now find the value of C now. How to find the value of C? Now you can see that OX
Sir,
is
ray
a ray,
stands on
Ray
MN.
ON stands on M.
X is a ray standing on MN, line MN. Therefore, sum of the adjacent angles formed here. That means angle
Sir,
M
angle MOX plus
plus
O
angle
equal to 180.
ON
degree.
should be together equal to 180 degree. So this is nothing but B and this is nothing but C. It is equal to 180 degree. So angle B we have calculated already, that is 54 plus C is equal to 180 degree. Angle C is equal to 180 minus 54. So find the difference now. 10 minus
Sir,
4
126 degree.
126 degree.
by 2. So then 126. So it is 126 degree. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After we find out the angle C. So we got this angle C is equal to 126 degree.
Sir, we can get it also by vertical opposite angles also, no, sir?
Which one?
Sir, that angle MOY and angle XON, we can get it vertically opposite angles.
MOY. Yes. For that, what you have to do? To get MOY, add A and 90 degree. 90 plus 36 degree. It is 126. Same. You can do like that also.
Sir, and we can take that YON is vertically opposite to XOM.
Then again 180 minus 54. Same thing.
Yes, sir.
You can do the one question in a different ways. So now we'll go to the question number 3 now. Noted now, all of you?
Yes,
Sir, wait,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Somebody told me wait. Is it over?
Sir, over, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then I'll clear this screen now. Let's go to question number 3. So let us take question number 3. In figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that PQS is equal to PRQ. Now they have given the diagram. So let us draw the diagram now. On a line, ST is a line. Then we have a triangle PQR here. So we can call this as point P. This is Q and this is R. Line is ST. ST is a line. And they have given PQR is equal to PRQ. So these two angles are equal. You can show this angle, base angles of these triangles are equal. ABNX is first angle now. What do you have to show that? The angles PQS, we have to show that angle PQS, this angle, I am going to show this angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. And we have to show these two angles are equal. Okay, so angle PQS, so we have to show this equal to PRT. Tell me, what is the method? Can anyone tell me how to prove this?
Sir, QP is a ray which stands on ST and RP is also a ray which stands on
Yes.
ST.
QP is a ray. QP is a line standing on ST. So therefore, you can write angle PQS.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Sir, PQ
Sir, we
is
should
not a line, no, sir.
Sir, it is a line segment, no, sir? QP.
Line segment, yes, line segment only. You can mention here if you want a line segment. Line segment. Okay. PQS plus PQR. PQS plus PQR is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So you call this as equation number 1. Similarly, PR is a line segment standing on ST. You can write these angles PRQ. So therefore, angle PRQ plus PRT both equal to 180 degree. This is equation number 2. Compare 1 and 2 now. Axiom says things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. You can write the left hand sides are equal, right hand sides are equal to 180 degree. So you can write angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. So it is using an axiom, things which are equal to same thing are equal to one another. But you can see here, we can cancel two things in the equation here. It is given that angle PQR is equal to PRQ. You can cancel these two angles now. So let us cancel this PQR is equal to PRQ because PQR is equal to PRQ. It is given. So therefore you can cancel these two. And what is left out, you can write the remaining now. So in the left hand side we have only PQS, in the right hand side we have only PRT. So hence the proof now. This is what we wanted to prove. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
You understood this now?
Yes, sir.
Very simple question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After this, we will move to question number 4. If any doubt in this question, you can ask me now itself. Otherwise, I will move to question number 4. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll go to question number 4. In figure, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. So let us draw the diagram now. So diagram is AB is a line. You can draw one line AB. So there are two rays from the point O. One is like this, so other one is like this. So points are A, this is B, and this is D, C, and point O. Angles are mentioned like this. This is angle Y. So this is small angle is X. This one is Z. And this angle is W. We want to show that AOB is a line means we have to prove that the adjacent angle formed on this line is 180 degree. If the sum of the two adjacent angles formed is 180 degree, then the rays will be opposite to each other. That means OA and OB will be exactly opposite to each other. That concept you have to use here to prove that AOB is a line. Can anyone give me the idea how to do this?
Sir, ray OC stands on sir AOB line AOB no sir. So sir angle AOC plus BOC is equal to 180 degree. Sir and ray OD stands on AB. So angle BOD.
We have to show that AOB is a line. Then before that you cannot use that as a line. Now you are telling
Sir.
it stands on line AB. You are telling, you are declaring the answer here in the beginning itself.
Sir means AOB, sir, x plus y, if x plus y is equal to 180 degree, then AOB is a line.
Actually, AOB is now, we don't have any idea about the AOB. It's a OA and OB are the line. What is that, Madhu, you told me?
That means if x plus y is equal to 180 degree, then W plus Z will also be 180 degree. Then AOB will be
then
a
how
line.
to show that x plus y is equal to 180 degree? How x plus y is equal to 180 degree?
So they are adjacent.
No, I will write the diagram. How confusion I took now beginning. I told now this AOB is not a line. Actually, OA and OB are the two rays. Assume that they are two rays. We don't know whether they are opposite to each other or not at this junction. We have to show that there is a line now. You cannot take adjacent angles x plus y is equal to 180 degree. When you take x plus y is equal to 180 degree, if you know that AB is a line now. But we are not knowing about this because we have to show that it is a line now. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Now we don't have any idea about this AB is a line or not because we have to prove that one now. So you cannot take AB as a line now in the beginning itself. You have to prove that. And what is given you observe there. In the data they are given, look at this, x plus y is equal to W plus Z. Using that, you can do something. Can you tell me what you can do?
Sir, x is equal to W as it is.
How?
But sir, vertically opposite angle it will come, na sir.
How, Madhu? Suppose here 20 plus 30 is equal to 50 and is equal to 40 plus 10. If they write like this, can you take 20 is equal to 40?
No, sir.
Then same thing there. Tell me. Now I will give you an idea. Here O is a point. The total angle at central angle at O must be 360 degree. Sum of all the angles. You can take angle X plus Y plus W plus Z is equal to 360 degree. Can we take this?
Yes, sir.
Yes
Complete
sir.
angle. It's a complete angle. Correct? Huh?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So there is no doubt in this. You can take angle formed at the center. The complete angle is equal to 360 degree. Sum of all the four angles. It is 360 degree. Now we have that is x plus y is equal to W plus Z. You can write this as one group. So in place of x plus y, you can write w plus z, or in place of w plus z, you can write x plus y. So I will write x plus y as it is, and in place of w plus z, I will write x plus y only. Okay. So is equal to 360 degree, because x plus y is equal to w plus z. We have substituted that one. In place of w plus z, I substituted as x plus y. So if we have here x plus y, how many times we have? 2 times. 2 times of x plus y is equal to 360 degree. Tell me next, x plus y will becomes
Sir, 180 degree.
180 degree. So now this is an important result. X plus y is equal to 180 degree. If x plus y, they are the, see how they are. They are the adjacent angles at O, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So therefore, so they are making, so adjacent angles are 180 degree means x and y are two adjacent angles. So therefore, you can write that, so adjacent to adjacent angles which are supplementary and which are supplementary now. Supplementary means they are making 180 degree. So once they are making 180 degree means what you can conclude now?
Sir, they are linear.
Sir, AP is the
They
They're
are
linear
linear
pair.
of angles.
So OA and OB must be opposite rays. Opposite rays means that must be a straight line now. So it indicates that AOB must be a line. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You understood
Yes,
this?
sir.
So x plus y, we have to show that it is 180 degree, then only you can declare AOB as a line. Beginning itself you cannot take it. We know that x and y are adjacent angles, but we cannot take them as 180 degree directly, because we do not know whether AB is a line or not, because that's what we wanted to prove there. So that itself you cannot take as AB as a line in the beginning itself. Some confusion was there in the beginning. Now you understood what is that?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Note down this now. So next we'll go to question number 5 now. I will move to question number 5. In figure, POQ is a line. POQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. Ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray. Lying between rays OP and OR, and prove that angle ROS, prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. So this is what you have to prove, and the diagram they have given here. On line P1, PQ, It is clearly mentioned, it is a line. Then we have two rays. PQ is a line. So OR is a ray perpendicular, and OS is also a ray in between this OP and OR. This angle is 90 degree. So this angle is measuring 90 degree now. So now use this to show that angle ROS is equal to half of QOS minus POS. So let us go to the proof now. Proof. Now look at this, what you have to prove in the right hand side. We have angle QOS and POS. QOS is there, POS is there. QOS and POS. QOS and then POS. We want to express this to in terms of ROS. POS and QOS in the right hand side, left hand side you see ROS we have. So you need to try to convert this POS and QOS in terms of ROS. So let us see the diagram and write what is QOS. What is that QOS? Can you write what QOS as? QOR?
Sir, QOR plus ROS.
ROS.
Look at the diagram and observe that one, because these are some of the, this QR and ROS together gives you QOS now. Next. Similarly, second one, angle POS. Look at that angle POS. Tell me what you can write angle POS.
Sir, angle POR minus
Minus
ROS.
SOS.
Very good. You can write it as angle POR minus angle ROS. See now, this one you call as first one and this is second one. Now you subtract both now. Equation 1 minus 2. You make it equation 1 minus 2 because why you are making like this? 1 minus 2, what is the reason?
Sir, because
Sir,
one
we
is
have
greater.
to express it as sir, angle QOS minus angle POS, no sir.
So we want QOS minus POS there. Therefore, you will subtract 1 minus 2. If you do angle QOS minus angle POS is equal to first equation QOR, right hand side also, QOR plus ROS minus of this angle POR minus ROS. Now multiply this minus inside, QOR plus ROS minus angle POR plus ROS. Okay, so this is equal to QOS minus POS. So same thing, now let us write QOS minus POS as it is. Look at this angle QOR and POR. In place of this I can write 90 degree, isn't it? 90 degree.
Yes,
This
sir.
ROS as it is, then minus 90 degree, then this ROS as it is. Because they have given QR is equal to 90 degree, that is a line OR is perpendicular to PQ. So you can write the reason OR perpendicular to PQ. Now you can cancel this 90 degree and 90 degree. So what you will get in the left hand side as it is QOS minus POS. In the right hand side you are getting 2 times ROS. You got the answer or not? What you have to do
Yes,
next
sir.
step?
Sir, now we have to send 2 to the right hand side.
We want only ROS.
Yes, sir.
So therefore,
1 by 2 into QOS minus POS.
therefore, this will be equal to 1 by 2 times QOS minus POS. QOS minus POS. So this is what we wanted to prove here. That is the final answer. Clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See there in the question, we need to find out QoS and PoS, and that should be in terms of ROS. Therefore, we have split this QoS as QR and ROS, and PoS as POR minus ROS, because we want to write this QoS and PoS in terms of ROS. So that's why we are splitting this QoS and PoS as QR plus ROS and POR minus ROS. Looking at this question, so we have subtracted 1 minus 2 because we want QoS minus PoS. So that's why we subtracted here. Once you subtract here, there are two angles which get cancelled each other because both are equal to 90 degree. So the remaining thing will give you the final answer. You have noted this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Come on, let us. I'll give
Yes,
you
sir.
now that what to do. The last question. Last question, you do it yourself now. Can you do that now?
Yes, sir.
Question number 6. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree, and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find XYQ, and reflects QYP. So now you need to draw the diagram before you go for solving this one. Draw the diagram. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. So an angle you have to draw here, making 64 degree. And XY is produced to point P. So let us draw another color I'm going to draw. XY is produced to point P. So I will take these points as this is X, this is Y, and this is Z. And this angle is 64 degree. And then XY is produced to point P. We have produced this point line up to point P like this. Okay. Then YQ is the ray bisects ZYP. So let us draw another ray which is bisecting the line, this one, which is exactly in between. So now these two angles are equal now. So you have to YQ, this is this angle is equal to this angle because this is a bisector of these two angles. You can write this as Q, point Q. YQ is a bisector of these two angles. Now what do you have to find out here? Find XYQ. Find the value of XYQ. And then reflex QYP. Reflex angle of QYP. Tell me, can anyone do this?
Sir, first we have to find angle ZYP, sir. Then we have to bisect it.
Yes. How to find ZYP? You can take now it is XP is
Sir,
a
YZ is a ray which is on.
Sir, QY is a ray which
you can take
stands
this
on
as
XP.
Sir, 67 degree plus
YZ is a ray.
180 degree.
YZ is a ray standing on PX. Okay, therefore you can write XYZ plus ZYP is equal to 180 degree. So angle XYZ and ZYP is equal to 180 degree. Angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree, you can substitute. Therefore ZYP is equal to, what happens, ZYP will be equal to 180 minus 64. Subtract this one.
Sir,
116.
116 degree.
160 degree. You got angle ZYP. So here ZYP is 160 degree. YQ bisects ZYP. We have YQ bisects ZYP. So that means you can find Z. You can find this XYQ. XYQ. You can find out this ZYQ. ZYQ.
So ZYQ is equal to 116 by.
ZYP. So therefore half of 116 degree. It is
58 degree.
58 degree. ZYQ is equal to 58 degree. Now you want to find out this angle XYQ. So XYQ can be written as XYZ plus
Sir, angle
ZY.
XYZ plus angle QY.
So XYZ it is 64 degree. ZYQ we have 58 degree. So what is the sum of these two angles? 12, 120.
122
Sir,
degree.
122.
Yes.
So 122 degree.
XYQ is equal to 120 degree. We got this first angle. Now find out reflex angle. So we got this angle, total angle. Reflex QYZ. Reflex QYZ is equal to. Tell me how to find reflex QYZ.
Sir, as
Sir, 360
QYZ
degree
is
minus
equal to.
58 degree.
Is equal to total 360 degree minus the normal angle QYZ. We have already calculated that angle QYZ, isn't it? ZYQ and QYZ are both are same. Total 360 degree. From 360 degree, you subtract QYZ, that is 58 degree. So you will get the reflex angle. So 10 minus 8, 2. Then
302 degree.
302 degree. So
Sir.
that is, I will show you in the diagram what is that reflex QYZ. QYZ means this angle. Now I will tell you in the green color line I am going to show you.
In question, they have given that we have to find reflex angle of QYP.
This complete angle I have shown on the diagram.
Sir. Sir, in question, they have said that we have to find reflex angle of QYP.
QYP, no? Okay.
Yes, sir.
We calculated QYZ.
Sir,
Okay.
both angles have same value, sir, 58 degree.
QYP. So both angles same. I think instead of QYZ you make it QYP. Both are same.
Yes, sir.
QYZ. So let me remove this. Because QYZ and error. So you can write it as Q reflex angle of QYP. Once again. QYP. So it is same only. Both are 58. See, this is 58 degree. I am going to show it in black color line. This is okay. So this you can see here. This is QYP. So what is the reflex of QYP means? The opposite side, the other side. Complete angle. This one, QYP. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
QYP it is same as this 58 degree because QYP is equal to ZYP. QYP is equal to ZYP. Both are the same. ZYP are same. Clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.